Hey friend, so I want to say congratulations. Obviously you're considering taking another step towards your financial future and improving the way you're doing things. That's awesome, no matter what you choose here. Now there are 3 choices that you're going to select from on this page. So I just want to give you a quick description about each one so you know what you're getting into. The first choice is taking advantage of a free coaching session. In order to be eligible for that call, make sure that you have a starting net cash flow position of at least $500 on average each month. Now that's not every single month. There might be months where it's less, there might be months where it's much more, but over the course of 12 months or longer, it's important that you have at least $6,000 remaining after you pay just the minimum payments on your debts, after you pay for your lifestyle costs, after you pay for your living expenses. So after all dollars are allocated, you're gonna wanna have at least $6,000 per year remaining. That's when I can be of value to you and you can benefit from the free coaching session. Make sure you're clear on that and you can access a cash flow cruncher for free as a gift from me to you just for attending our YouTube channel and checking out our video trainings here. So you can click the link below if you're uncertain about your cash flow and you can start there. Now, you'll go to the calendar and you'll select the best date and time that works for you. Now here's the downside. The wait can get really long for these free coaching sessions. In fact, I've seen the waiting list grow to as long as between 6 and 8 months. Not everybody wants to wait that long before they start realizing the benefits of practicing what we teach here. So that leads me to the other 2 options that you'll have. The first of which is our quick start option. This is a do-it-yourself process where you can actually go ahead and get yourself enrolled. You can sign up for our paid coaching membership, which will then jump you to the front of our priority list, and you'll be contacted by my team and scheduled in my calendar right away. And we'll actually go through an analysis to make sure that you're a good fit. So there are 3 main advantages to this quick start choice. The first is you skip a long wait, right? The wait has been as long as even 7 or 8 months at times. The second perk is that there's no risk to it, meaning that if during that analysis conversation you're not hearing what you need to decide this is compatible for you, or we're not hearing what we need to decide that this is compatible for us, then we're just gonna part company as friends, we'll void the membership, and we'll go ahead and refund you your tuition. So again, no risk at all. The third advantage here is the price point. You're actually gonna get the deepest discount that we currently provide to any of our coaching members, because you're an action taker. Life rewards action takers too. So we treat this the same way that you're gonna be treated in life. If you're ready to take your money seriously, then great. We're gonna give you the best price for it. We're gonna pass the savings on to you. We're gonna share in that equally. So this is a win-win situation for most people and by far our most popular option. The third choice is the guided quick start option, which is where we'll help you get started if you just have a few more questions that you need answered regarding the process or the system, what's involved with it perhaps. Then you can go ahead and visit the calendar by selecting the link below. In that calendar, there will be a guided quick start choice, which you can select. It will move you along more quickly, so within the next couple of weeks, you can have that conversation. Those conversations are usually wrapped up in 10 minutes or less, but we do carve out a full 30 minutes in order to make sure that you have plenty of time. However, no coaching related questions will be answered during that call. This will not be somebody that's a certified trained coach that you'll be speaking with. It's somebody that can answer some of the more kind of semantical process oriented questions you may have before enrolling. But this is only intended for people that actually plan on moving forward and want ongoing coaching. They're just needing another couple questions taken care of ahead of time. So you get to pick which one's the best for you. We certainly hope this covers everybody. It normally does. Further down the page, like I said, you can get your free cash flow cruncher as a gift from me to you. Down at the lower end of the page, you'll see success stories from other coaching members who have gone through this process ahead of you. And furthermore, you can also check out our other social media platforms linked below. We're very humbled and excited to play a small role in your success. We look forward to seeing you on another video here soon. And until we speak in person, make it a great day today and take awesome care.